Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. So, real quickly, just a little disclaimer: work from home jobs is very competitive. They do fill up very quickly, and I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online. All the jobs were live at the time this video was published, but of course, they can be taken down at any time with no warning. So if you're interested in any of the jobs that I'm sharing today, please make sure you get those applications in quickly. But in today's video, I do have some like medical billing, processing of payment jobs, payment posting, things like that. We've got some customer service. We even got a quality control job where you're listening to those recorded phone calls and kind of scoring or grading them. And we have Ross Dress for Less stores hiring. So we are going to dive all in. Links, timestamps, all additional information you may need can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. First up, we have the company APS Medical Billing. Now, I've shared this company before. They only have 51 reviews from past and current employees, and they have a little bit lower employee satisfaction rating score at 2.6 out of 5 stars. So please do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. But APS is looking for a bank statement processor. This is full-time and fully remote. Now, pay for this position is going to be anywhere from $18 to $20 an hour. They are located out of Ohio, but they are looking for somebody to join them remotely to reconcile their client bank statements. This means you're going to be processing the payments that are received from insurance companies, received from payments or under other entities towards the settlement of health insurance claims or health claims. Maybe if it's a patient payment, they didn't have insurance and they're fully self-pay, but you're making sure that all these payments are posted correctly to the correct patient account, and any discrepancies or errors are identified and resolved so that month-end closing, you can consistently meet those deadlines. No college degree is needed for this one. They do say all the way down at the bottom that they prefer somebody who has at least 3 years of medical billing or payment posting, but it looks like they'll take less experience as long as you understand insurance payment processing, EOB's explanation of benefits, or remittance advice files, somebody who can do the reconciliation experience. You've got great like keyboarding, typing skills. You can kind of collaborate with different team members. And of course, you've got to be self-motivated and be able to work yourself around a computer or different software systems like those Microsoft Office systems. Now, next up, we have the company TTEC or TTEC, as I call them. Not sure how that's pronounced, but they hire a lot of remote work from home jobs. They do a lot in like the customer service. They're always hiring remote, but today they have a job where you can listen to recorded phone calls and grade them. They do have 12,000 reviews from past and current employees with an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a temporary seasonal quality specialist. So this is going to be a temporary position, but again, they're just looking for somebody to assist in their quality and training by auditing those key performance indicators for TTEC operations. So you're reviewing and evaluating operation procedures, including those customer service interactions from all of their communications channels, service request, refund processing. So you are basically listening to these recorded phone calls or looking at these service requests and kind of grading them, making sure that they fit the quality. So you're coordinating the logistics, conducting the related audits, including sample selection, documentation, and reporting of your results or findings. So you're assisting with the data and analysis of quality reports. Only requires a high school diploma or GED and 6 months of quality assurance experience in some kind of call center. You've got to understand kind of reporting, be able to work with like maybe reporting like Microsoft Office, Excel, things like that. But the pay for this position is anywhere from $18 an hour up to $20 an hour. Now, if you don't mind being on the phone, talking to people, you just want to work from home and you have no experience, this next one might be for you. AO Globe Life is hiring. They have 56 reviews with an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a entry-level customer service representative, so no experience is required. This is a full-time remote. But this is a life insurance company, and they're just looking for somebody to answer those phone calls, assisting their clients with enrolling in either life insurance benefits or understanding the benefits packages that they have. So you are just delivering personalized support to their policy holders, conducting any consultations or presentations to them, just developing in-depth knowledge of the products and services that they offer, and communicating that with the policyholders or potential policyholders that you're looking to kind of sign up for a policy. So what they do require, since no experience is required, is somebody who is at least 18 years or older and eligible to work in the United States, somebody who is self-motivated, has strong communication and organizational skills, and you've got to be willing to at least obtain a state life insurance license. You do not have to have one, but you're willing to get one, and of course they're going to provide the support and cover all the licensing fees, so it's not going to cost you anything to get your life insurance license. So this might be a great way to get into the life insurance field. You get that license, you work as a customer service rep, you get some knowledge behind you, and then you can apply for other jobs that have better pay or things like that. And sadly, this one did not list pay. Speaking of pay, that will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, if you're looking for a customer service job that does list pay and pays pretty high, $55,000 to $60,000 a year, PandaDoc is hiring. They have 406 reviews from past and current employees with an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer support associate, and this is remote for the United States. But they're basically looking for somebody to just solve their customer issues and help their customers get the most out of their product. So their team operates in a multi-channel environment, providing support through chat and email. So this is going to be non-phone customer support. And what you're going to do is just become an expert on PandaDoc so that you can provide solutions for the customer issues. So you might have to help them work through like tech issues of using the product or features that are offered, things like that. They do have teams in the United States, in the European countries, and in the Philippines. So you're going to work with all of the different teams to deliver like tier 2 and tier 3 supports. Their customer support teams are broken up into different tiers. And of course, you're managing multiple customer cases at once, so you're going to have to kind of multitask, but you are just needing 1 to 2 years of experience in some kind of customer support, customer service role. I think most of us have that. Somebody, of course, who can do those multitasking, somebody who has a collaborative mindset, and somebody who has great communication skills, but no college degree or anything like that is needed. Now, you will have to be willing to work either in the Eastern or Central Standard Time zones, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So if you're outside of those two time zones, please convert your hours. And of course, again, pay is anywhere from $55,000 a year up to $60,000 a year. And of course, we have Ross Dress for Less hiring. Ross has 251 reviews, an overall rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a human resources representative specifically for their leave of absence division. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say this one is going to require a college degree, but it does say down here that this position may be performed remotely anywhere within the United States, so they don't have any state restrictions. But of course, they are looking for somebody to use their computer systems that they are on, such as ServiceNow, which is like a ticketing type system. I use that where I work. PeopleSoft, Sedgwick, Via One. So you are managing all of Ross case management systems and, of course, using Microsoft Excel. But you're basically supporting and communicating all levels of associates that work with the stores, the Ross stores, like the cashiers and things like that, as well as people who work in corporate offices, buying offices, and their distribution centers. You're communicating with these internal partners, payroll, benefits, HR services, to make sure that smooth administration is delivered of all of these employees, like benefits, specifically while they're on leave of absences. So you're providing that customer service to clients who need leave of absences, need to know how to apply, or are currently on leave of absences, and you're explaining the Ross policies to the associates regarding the leave of absences in various states and locations. Different state laws may have, different things that they have to follow. So you're just providing reporting and help tracking and monitoring the work of the department. Now, again, they are looking for somebody who has a bachelor degree, but it doesn't say that it has to be in any specific field. Of course, you've got to have strong communication skills, be able to work independently as well as a team, use online different systems, be able to work your way around a computer, have great attention to detail. And of course, pay for this position is anywhere from $22.69 an hour up to $32.79 an hour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.